Everyone, today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 8, the supreme form of love. Viravra was a poor Brahmin. He lived with his wife and two children. He was the gatekeeper at the palace of the king Vikramtunga. Viravra was loyal to the king and was humble in character. He performed his duties with all sincerity and responsibility. One night the king heard a cry of a woman at a short distance. Out of sympathy, the king asked Viravra to go and find the woman. So Viravra at once set out in search of the woman. The king was also followed him secretly. So there was a Viravra. He's a poor Brahmin. So he lived with his wife and two children. He was the gatekeeper of the palace. मतलब दरबार जो पैलेस का गेट कीपर है. विरावना बहुत ही किंग के लॉयल था और बहुत ही अच्छा इंसान था. तो एक दिन क्या हुआ, रात को राजा को किसी औरत की रोने की आवाज़ सुनाई दी. तो राजा ने बोला विरावना को जाके देखो कौन कौन रो रहा है. सो वो ढूंढने चला गया और उसके पीछे पीछे चुपके से राजा भी गया. सो फॉलोइंग द cry, Viravna reached the bank of the lake. He found that a woman is standing in the middle of the lake weeping and wailing. Weeping and wailing means बहुत बुरी तरह रो रही है. So Viravna asked her about the reason why she of her lamentation. So she replied, I am Mother Earth. Your king is my husband. On the third day, death will snatch his life from him. Therefore, I am bemoaning his loss. So she said that I am the Mother Earth and your king is my husband because he is going to die on the third day. So that's why मैं अभी उनके मरने की वजह से मैं रो रही हूँ. So Viravna could not think about any danger that would happen to the king. So his king was the just and he was a loyal servant to his king. So he asked Mother Earth, "Oh Mother Earth, tell me, how can I save the king from imminent death? Even at the cost of my life or my wife's or my children, I want to save my king." So he said, because he can't see his king to die, so he said to Mother Earth, so can you give me any suggestions or anything that how can I save the king's life even if I have to sacrifice my life or my wife's life or my children's life. He had two children ना. So दोनों में से जिसकी भी लाइफ सैक्रिफाइस करनी हो, I will do it to save the king. Mother Earth said, "O king, my son, there is only one way to save the king. If you sacrifice your son at the temple near the palace, goddess will be pleased, then the king will be saved." Saying this, Mother Earth disappeared. उन्होंने बोला एक ही चीज़ हो सकता है, अगर आप अपने बेटे को सैक्रिफाइस कर दो तो उनकी लाइफ बच सकती है. So the king was standing at the distance hearing the conversation जो मदर अर्थ और विरावना के बीच में हुआ. Taking an oath to save the king's life, the king at any cost, he sacrificed the life. So Viravna left the place. After reaching home, he narrated the incident to his wife. She gave consent of her husband to offer his son to the goddess. So they both woke up their son. They informed him about their decision. Hearing this, he was happy to offer himself for the sake of the king. The family reached the temple. There Viravna offered his son to the goddess. He was proud of his courageous and loyal son. So the goddess became happy and pleased with the sacrifice. What happened? Viravna went home. He told his wife. His wife said, okay. Then his son was sleeping. He narrated everything. So he accepted that he can sacrifice his life for the sake of the king. Courageously he said that. So after that, Viravna took his son to the temple and he sacrificed his life. By seeing this loyalty, the goddess was happy and pleased by his sacrifice. So she appeared before Viravna and told him to ask any boon. So he said, "Oh goddess, if you are pleased with me, let the king Vikramatunga live 100 years more." Goddess granted this boon, and as a reward of his loyalty, gave back his son too. The king was standing at a short distance watching all this. Tears rolled out of his eyes. He ran fast to Ravana and embraced him. मतलब गॉडेस ने बोला, तुम कोई भी एक बून मीन कोई भी एक आपकी जो भी इच्छा है, ख्वाहिश है, वो मेरे से मांगो, तो वरदान मांगो। तो उन्होंने बोला, बस मैं ये चाहता हूँ आप मेरे राजा की जान बचा दो, वो 100 साल तक जिए, इतनी आप उनको ज़िंदगी दे दो। तो गॉडेस ये देख के बहुत खुश होती है और उसे उसकी लॉयल्टी के लिए रिवॉर्ड के तौर पे वो ग्रांट तो कर देती है राजा का, और फिर उसके बाद लॉयल्टी के लिए खुश होके उसके बेटे को भी जिंदा कर देती है। द किंग वॉज स्टैंडिंग एट अ शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस। बाय सीइंग दिस he started crying. He ran towards Viravana and just hugged him. So the story tells us about the great sacrifice done by a poor man for the sake of the king. He sacrificed his own son so as to save the king. He did without expecting any sort of रिवॉर्ड। उसने कोई ये नहीं सोचा था कि मैं अपना बेटा सैक्रिफाइस करूँगा, राजा मेरे को बड़ा गिफ्ट देगा, बल्कि राजा तक को नहीं पता था कि ये सैक्रिफाइस ऐसा कर रहा है, क्यों कर रहा है, कहाँ कर रहा है, कुछ भी किसी को नहीं पता था। बस छुपके से जाके मदर अर्थ ने बोला था, तो भगवान के चरणों में जाके अपने बेटे को सैक्रिफाइस करके बस अपने राजा को बचाना चाहता था। सो ही डिडंट एक्सपेक्ट एनीथिंग फ्रॉम द अदर पर्सन. So what do you mean by sacrifice? Sacrifice is a holy action of offering something to somebody for own or his good. If we analyze the ancient religious practices or cults, we can see various traditions in which people offered sacrifice to God. They offered the best thing they had as sacrifice with the ultimate aim of pleasing the God. पहले क्या होता था, जैसे अब भी होता है ऐसा, हार्वेस्टिंग चलता है, जो पहली धान कटती है या कुछ भी पहला फल अगर बाग में उगता है, कुछ भी चीज़ पहली चीज़ उगती है या वो चीज़ें सबसे पहले भगवान को चढ़ाई जाती हैं। फूल ले लो, फल ले लो, सब्जियां ले लो, कुछ भी ले लो, वो सबसे पहले भगवान को ऑफर किया जाता है कि भगवान इससे खुश हो जाएंगे. That was an old traditions which are coming since our ancestors are following these traditions. So there are two types of sacrifices, bloody sacrifice and non-bloody sacrifice. This is related to the blood sacrifice and without blood sacrifice. So this topic we will do next class. Up to this much is more than enough. Then this week you have to do only this. Let us meditate. Okay, just learn this. Let us meditate part, which is page number 53. Thank you and have a good day.